Hi, everyone. Welcome to a new episode of Crypto Tips. My name is Heidi, and today we have a very special guest. For those of you who have been subscribed for a while, you already know who's here. Maria, our lovely lawyer from Portugal. And it's great to have you here, Maria. I want you to say hi.
Hola, thank you so much for having me. You're so kind. Thank you.
Yeah, so there's been some updates to the visa information in Portugal, the D7, the golden visa, new visas for nomads, and also what's happening with crypto in Portugal. So we're gonna get you guys all caught up on all those topics and a series of videos to be released. So let's get into it, Maria.
For example, in Portugal, you don't tax gold and silver, online poker, no taxes there. Stocks, if you buy them to the stock market in Portugal, the intermediary pays those taxes. You don't pay taxes, depends on the source. And even if you do, it's only capital gains. So I really don't think so. And I don't know if you heard last time, I think I texted you about it. We were discussing the budget in the parliament.
Yeah.
And
right.
Again, one member of the left party came forward and presented a motion to tax crypto. Mm-hmm. And all parties unanimously rejected that motion. That's excellent news for the crypto community, because that means that this government that's going to be here for 4 years doesn't have an intention to tax. And in the next, after 4 years, if they lose and another party wins, they also rejected the motion. So they don't have an intention to tax either. So that's amazing news for the crypto community.
Absolutely. Yeah. Thank you again for clarifying that. A lot of people were skeptical. So at least they've bought Portugal a lot more time before that taxation was a concern.
They did. And you need to understand, you're here for so long. How, 12 years? Isn't it?
I think about 8 years. Yeah.
8? Okay. And you know that our tax system, our tax office is not severe. It's not like other countries where they have that manpower allocated only to go after citizens. We don't have that, right? And in order for us to be that severe, we would need to have a lot of manpower that we don't. And it's not our way to interpret taxes. We do pay our taxes happily. We do take care of our own tax returns. Of course, there are aleatory search on citizens to see if the tax returns are done properly, but it's not severe. It's not, nobody's going after you. You're here for those 8 years. You're good. You never paid taxes on crypto. Some say, oh, it's not that you pay zero taxes in crypto. There are some situations that you do. That's not true. You don't pay taxes on crypto if they are your own personal investments, right? It doesn't matter if you trade, stake, yield. It really doesn't matter, because crypto is not considered an asset to be taxed. So it's not taxed. You know this. But if you say, Maria, I'm going to open a company and the goal of my company is to trade, then you have to get your profits, convert them into euros, declare them, and pay taxes on that. But that's a different situation. But if you say you're me or Heidi, you have your own personal investments in crypto, you don't declare them because crypto is not declared in Portugal, is not considered an asset, and you just live your life. And that's the truth.